Oh, look at it dance on the roof.
Yeah, I know, I got it.
This is only going to last a minute. That's what I think. Oh, it's nice out here now. Oh, I'm enjoying this stuff. I can feel a little butter on my legs.
Yeah, I can too.
Wow, it just looks like it's like all these little black, like little foam clouds, isn't it? Whoa! I mean, can you see what I'm looking at?
Yeah. Whoa.
Are those little foam clouds?
Wait, no, maybe I don't see it. What do you see?
See, look straight across. You see like black holes coming down.
Hell no. I mean, heck no.
There's a lot of them.
Oh, I see. From the rain. It's the rain. It's just a... Yeah.
Okay, now Providence is getting darker.
I can't say Boston now. It's so raining so hard.
Did he get done? Yep.
He's hiding in his little house. Whoa.
People down the Those people that just left, I wonder where they parked. Oh yeah, cool down.
I know, it feels good, doesn't it? Wind has stopped a little bit. Just look at the umbrella, it's not flapping. So
now it's picking up over here. Yeah, I dropped the...
what's that?